Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Thursday, September 3rd, 2020. Okay. Today we're going to be starting a new topic. Our learning is going to be revolving around ordering real numbers. Okay. But before we do that, I want to give our quote of the day. It says, I'm wrong. If I am wrong, educate me. Don't belittle me. Okay. Basically, if I'm wrong, teach me something. Don't make fun of me. Don't talk about how dumb I am, how ridiculous I looked. Teach me better. Help me to do better. Our I can statement is I can order real numbers. Now, the goal of this next section, ordering real numbers, this is the goal. All right. On the STAR test or future test, you're going to be given a list of numbers. It might be in a like this, just a flat out horizontal list, left and right. It might be a vertical list, up and down. It might be in a table. It might be on a number line. But the goal is to be able to be given a series of numbers and order them from least to greatest, sometimes greatest to least. And they'll use different words to describe least to greatest or greatest to least. But the most popular way is least to greatest. All right. You need to be able to order these numbers correctly. And so that's the goal. And so today's activity is the intro. We're going to help us take our first steps to get towards that goal. So you're going to be given these four numbers, or a series of numbers. In this case, these four numbers, 1.2, square root of 3, 1/4, and pi. Your task is to correctly order them. However, to do that, there's a skill we need beforehand, a secondary skill, which you've been practicing hopefully since elementary school, which is place value. Okay. So when I say place value, that what I mean by that is we need to correctly put these numbers in decimal form. Okay. And then fill in all the missing spots with 0 so that we can correctly order these numbers. All right. Example 1.23 here. I'd come here, press 1, tab on my keyboard, 2, 3. I am not going to leave this spot blank, okay? And I'll talk about that in a little bit. Scroll. That's our school bell. That means class is about to start, all right? Square root of 3. Okay, you're going to use your Desmos calculator, so I'm not going to give you all of it, all right? But it's going to be 1.7, tab again, 7, okay? And, well, I guess I should, since I'm doing an example. Okay, I guess I will. So let me get that answer for you real quick. Square root of 3 is 1.7320. So 1.73220, but I only have these decimal places. All right. For 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25. I do. 0.25. And pi is 3.144. And the last digit of pi is 34141. That's not the last digit because pi goes on forever. We're just going to use these three. We're only going to do up to 3 values past the decimal point. So these little open spots, though, right here, we need to fill in with 0. All right? 0, 0. Now, looking at these, which one will be first if we're going from least to greatest? A little secret, we just look at this first column. Which number is the smallest? 1, 1, 0, or 3? 0 is, okay? So 1/4 would be the least. The next smallest value would be 1, 1, or 3. And to help me make sure I got it, I'm going to go ahead and scoot this over, just so I know that one's done. That one's first. All right. Now to help me, again, I look at these. 1, 1, 3. Okay, 1 is the smallest, so it's one of these ones. The decimals are the same. I'm going to keep looking at the next categories, or the next columns, until I get the smallest one. So because 1 is the same, so that doesn't help me. Decimal and decimal is the same, that doesn't help me. But 2 or 7, which one's smaller? 2 is. So this would be second place. Okay. And I'm going to move that just a little bit less than I did the first one, so I know that's second. This is third, and this one's fourth. Okay. That is how you order from least to greatest. So I'm going to come to this slide and do that. Okay. We said the least value was 1/4, so I'm going to move that over here. The next greatest value, or the next least value, sorry, it was 1.23. Then it was square root of 3, and then it was pi. All right, that is how you do the assignment. All right, at this point in the class, I would tell you to get slide 5 and slide 6 done. If you finish all of that, I want to see if you can handle our bonus problem, which is slide 7. Okay, it says order these numbers from least to greatest, or order the numbers from least to greatest. All right, that is a challenge problem that you would need to do by yourself, like by hand. And then right here, you would type in your answer, A, B, C, or D. But this is not a grade, it's simply a challenge problem. Okay, have a fantastic day. Can't wait to see you in class, hopefully. All right, again, our I can statement was I can order real numbers. Have a great day.